Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study about how to design the menus in a C Sharp. Menus means the drop down like this. We have a file menu, edit menu, view menu, tool menu, window menu, help menu. Likewise, this if you want to create a menus in your application which you are developing using C Sharp, so we can create the file menus in a C Sharp. So just start. Let's create a project. So starts with Windows Form application. So I will give name to my project as a menu design. So basically we can design a menu to provide the list of menus through which we can select some options. We can create a menus inside a single menu or single tab of menu. We can add the sub tabs or sub menus. Likewise this we can create a menus. So creation of a menus in a C sharp is a very easy thing or easy task. So to create a menu, just search for the control or a component with the name of menu strip. Just double click it. So you can see you will get a menu strip at the top of your form. By default it is set it at the top of your form, so you can set it as per your convenient. So just search for the property, just click on the menu strip, search for the property doc, and where you want to put your menu on your form, to the left side, in the middle section, to the right side, or to the bottom of your form, you can keep your menus. So just by clicking on a doc, you will get these are the various positions where you can put your menu strip. So normally we keep it as a top. So just again we will change the color of your menu strip, or color of a menu strip. Search for the back color property. So just to highlight, so we will design the same menu like this. So first 5 menus we will design like. Now if you want to add, just click on that menu strip, edit, the third menu with the name of view, the fourth with the name of project, and the fifth we will take it as help. So inside of file, so I will select first files. Okay, new project, open file, close and close solution. Just to add the sub menus, new project, then second as a open project, then third as a open file, fourth one as a close, and the last we will take it as a close or exit. We'll take it as exit. Okay, so in edit we will undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. Okay, so undo, redo, cut, copy, and paste. So in a view, code design, code design, property window, solution explorer, then toolbox, database explorer. So in a project, add a new window form, add a new class, add new window form, add new class, help, or do I search index about Microsoft. So these are the menus we have. Just uh, execute this project, just see. So whenever you will click, you will get this list. Whenever you will click, okay. Now these are the, this is how we can add the menus to your Windows Form application. Now if you want to add the sub menus or the contents to the sub menu, just we will see what is in a new project. So we will use a new project as a console application or a Windows application. Open project, again we will write a console project or a Windows project. And for the edit, so view, in database explorer, just we will add two sub menus to the database explorer, server and data connection. And okay, so now just again execute our project. So we will see, like whenever you will click, you will get. So likewise this, so whenever you will just take a mouse over it, it will show you it is a selected, but after clicking only it will open a menu. Now in a sub menu, if you will take a mouse over that particular tab, so it will open. If that tab having any sub tab, so it will open that tabs. So this is how now after clicking once on any menu, if you will pass that cursor to the next menu uh, level, so it will open that menu also. So this is how we can create the menu. So we can change the property. Now our menu is opening after clicking on that particular name. So if you want to open that menu, when just you will take your mouse cursor over that particular name, so it must pop up that menu. So for this purpose, just select a form, in a properties, just a data bindings, and go for the events. So click on events and search for the property mouse over, search for the property mouse over. So here it is. So select your component and click on your mouse over button and just make file strip menu item dot visible is equals to true. And one more property we have to change, mouse leave. Whenever the mouse will leave, again file strip menu strip visible is equal to false. Now whenever just execute our project, now you can see. So might be we have to change, we have added the code for just, so this first of all, Okay, let's select the menu strip, then mouse over. So file strip menu item dot visible is equal to true. So here we have to change this as a files tool strip menu items dot show drop down. So just save it, try to execute it. So it's showing at the top. We need to change. So you can see just by changing the property. So I will repeat. So instead of clicking, after clicking, uh, open your menu. Just whenever you will take a mouse over that particular menu, it will open. To set that property, just select your menu on which you want to apply the property. Just go for the events. In the events, search for, in the property window you will get a event, and in a search event you can see the mouse over, and over double click over here, and here add the code file tool strip menu item dot show drop down. So automatically whenever you will take a mouse on any, so just we have set the code for a file only, so only it will open. And as per the by default, so listen, just now I'm cursor, my mouse pointer is cursoring to the edit menu, but it's not opening that menu because we have set the code for only file. So just when I will take my mouse over the file, it will open the file menu. Now this is the property of a menu to, once the one menu is open, and whenever you will over your mouse on any other menu, so it will open that menu. So just after, by clicking over here again we will take on edit, so it will not open the edit menu, but whenever we will take on a file, it will open the file menu. So if you want to set code for edit also, a file over, sorry, mouse over, just go search, select the edit, go for the mouse over property, double click on it, and just edit tool strip menu item dot show drop down. Just save it. Again for view, mouse over, again view tool strip menu item dot show drop down, save it. Again the next window is, the next menu is project, again mouse over, project tool strip dot show drop down, and the last one is help, mouse over, double click on it, help tool strip dot show drop down. So just save it. We will try to execute it. Now you can see without clicking on any button, just whenever you will take a mouse cursor over that particular menu, it will open that. Now how actually use it? Okay, so this is how we can design the menus. Just go to the design part. Okay, now if you set the file, or if you want to open the file by clicking on this console and this window, just we will add some of the file windows forms to our project. So solution explorer, I will add 3 4 forms we will add to our project. So as a new project, this is for the new project, we will add as a console, we will add as windows. So these are the various forms. Now for file, whenever you will click on a file and on a console, we should open the console form. So double click on a console menu, just on what menu, after clicking on which menu, if you want to open any file, just go to that particular menu part, just on console. Now we want to set the code for console, just double click on a console and create the object for the class console, means that form that we have created, console dot c dot show. Just save it. So it will open the console form again. Now if you want to set the code for Windows, just go create an object of a window form, then w.show. So it will open that show form for us. So we'll see Windows. Okay. Now if you want to set the code for exit button, just I will set the code for exit here. This dot close. So you just execute it. Just file exit. So you can see. This is how we can set the now edit view. In a database explorer, we have created server and data connections. We will create two more forms. Server and one more form as a data connection. So add those forms. Okay. So now just search for our design window. Go to your view in a database explorer. For server, create the object of a class server. S is equal to new server. These are the forms that we have added. Server, console, windows and the data connection are the forms, and forms is nothing but you can consider it as a class, and we have to create the object of that class to open those windows. In a data connection, create the object of a data connection class as a con is equal to new data connection and con dot show. So this is how in a view database explorer. So data connection, it's not opening the server. Okay, just we have added the close as code for a server as a close. Sorry, so we have to make it as show. Save it, execute it, view in our server. So this is how we can design uh, we can create a menu design in a C sharp. We can add the multiple menu items for a single menu also, and we can give the preference, we can give the attachment to the next form also using the menu or strips. So we can design a menu in another way also, so by using the panels also. Just we will discuss it in a So how to design a menu, we'll just discuss it in a next video, a very next video of menu design. How to design the menus using panels, buttons and the labels. A same menu we can design, so it's easier to design the menu using a menu strips. So this is all about the menu designing in a C#